Hey guys, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. My voice is a little hoarse today, so sorry if I'm talking a little too quietly, but this is a 2012 Ford F-550, 6.7, just under 227,000 miles, a little over 8,000 engine hours, and just a little over 1,700 idle hours, so very low idle hours. Later on in the video, we'll do a drive demonstration, cold start, and take a look at the blow-by. It does not really have any blow-by to mention. The engine's very healthy. We just tore into it and replaced the rocker arms. They had come unseated, which is a common issue in the 6.7s. So we've done quite a bit of work to the truck. Obviously new steer tires, new upper and lower ball joints. The full write-up is in the description of the ad, so if you do have any more questions or need any more information, you can call or text 804-716-8487. It's an 11-foot nap hide brand bed, cab high bins down both sides, and really the bed's in great shape. Truck came to us out of Tennessee. A little bit of wear and tear on the bed, just some rock chips. This dent down here that you can see does not affect the door closing any, but it does have factory paint. Did not need to be sandblasted and repainted. It was in pretty good condition as it sat. All the bin floors are nice and dry, just some grease and dirt on the bottom of them, but really no rust to speak of on the bin floors. This is your torch compartment, so you have your bottle racks and your straps there. It's a shot right there. Toward the end of the video, we'll do a full crane demonstration, and like I said, a drive. The Mighty M combo unit, it's a welder generator compressor combo. There's air-driven pumps and an Evac system that runs off the compressor. We have a new carburetor coming in for that tomorrow, so I won't be able to demonstrate that, but that does run absolutely fine. Just needed the fuel tank cleaned and a new carburetor. Obviously new drive tires on the rear, and a shot of the undercarriage, nice and dry. I'll crawl under the truck once I get to the other side of it here, but like I said, it's nice and dry. All the doors open, close, latch properly. Little bit of surface rust just along the inner seams. Again, the bin floors are all solid. If there's anything that you need more pictures or videos of, or that I go over a little too fast in this video, please let us know. The goal of these videos is to show you everything you want to see about the truck if you're here looking at it in person. So if you need any more information at feel free to call or text anytime at 804-716-8487. This is your crane compartment. This was for the original remote. It was no good. It's got a brand new aftermarket CarTech remote and receiver for it. So it's one stage hydraulic out to 11 feet. Then there's a manual pin pull out to 15 feet. 3,200 pound maximum lifting capacity. It's an electric over hydraulic crane, so it runs off the truck batteries in line. You have your workbench rear bumper here. And obviously manual outrigger, just one on the crane side. It's a manual wind down. Tow hitch receiver. So here's your air power pumps. 3 total tanks. One's waste, there's 2 fresh. This really nice sliding bed cover. It'll slide all the way down. I kind of need 2 hands to get it down in place, but you get the idea. It'll slide all the way down, and it latches right here. So extra storage in the bed. The truck has a ton of storage for tools and equipment between the cab high bins on both sides and that sliding bed cover. There's absolutely tons of space. Let's go to the undercarriage real quick. Just some grease there, but you do have some rock chipping and whatnot along the door edge. Nice big open compartment here. Be an excellent compartment to put some a nice set of drawers in. Could fit pretty good sized drawer pack right here. Just right there along the hinge, a little bit of surface rust where the paint's peeled off. That hinge as well. Nice set of drawers on this driver front compartment. Ag Body brand sliding drawer pack. Welder, compressor, generator combo unit. Again, we're just putting a new carburetor on it, and that'll be good to go. That runs the air pumps. Chips on the driver door. Power locks, power windows, and cruise control. Cab's pretty clean and free of any real cosmetic issues. A few little tears in the driver's seat I pointed out. Some staining on the headliner. All right, let's get into the demo portion. Truck has a strobe light, work lights, compartment lights. All the lighting on it works. I don't know if you can see it, probably can't in the sun, but that strobe is blinking. Any of these lights could be removed, you know, if you didn't want the strobe. But here's first compartment, just a little puck light. It's not those bright LED strips, those are pretty nice, but it is nice at least to have some lighting in the bin. And they all are on individual switches as well, so you can just leave them all on, and then just on that upfitter switch, you know, turn them on and off all at once. Here's your work lights back here, and then up in the bed, right there, you have a light on the loop system. One light back in there. And no lights in those two bins. Hey, thanks again for watching. Again, it's a 2012 550 with just under 227,000 miles. Pretty low hours on the truck. If you do have any questions or need any more photos or videos, feel free to call or text anytime at 804-716-8487. This is all we buy and sell, so if you're looking for something similar, feel free to reach out. Obviously, I have crane trucks in many different setups, sizes, and we do ship and offer commercial financing. So feel free to call or text 804-716-8487 if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching.